All right, we've made it to lesson 40. Capital X is our last letter. Now, similar to the capital I found my own way to make an X. So I'll show you my way first, and then I'll show you the actual way. And once again, you'll be able to choose which one works best for you. Not that you'll ever have a chance to use the capital X very often, but here we go. So we're starting on the headline. From the head, we're swooping in this direction with that loop. So swooping around in this direction to the foot, slanting in the opposite direction. From there, we curve over. So loop this direction, curve over this direction, and this loop curves this way. And then the crossover comes just like that. Okay, so it's loop, loop, and cross. Loop, loop, and cross. Loop, loop, and cross. Okay, that's how I make a capital X. The actual way to make the capital X is a little bit more complicated. You start off with that same loop, but you're going to be curving this direction, kind of like you're starting a capital Q. So coming around, looping this direction, and you want that curve like you would do for a 2 or for a question mark. So it's curve in that direction, and then the second line starts on the head and touches it and then loops this way. Now, if you're like me, you might be able to see the difficulty with making it this way. I don't like it because it doesn't cross. An X is supposed to cross. I think part of the problem with making the X this way is that you have the potential to make it look more like a K, which you don't want. And then there's always the danger of not getting close enough, so you end up with an unfinished H-looking thing, or the potential to cross over too far. So you can decide which way you prefer to make your X. You can either go loop, loop, and cross, or you can do curve out, curve in, and loop. They both look very similar, but I personally just think an X should cross. Myself like that. Okay. And for capital X, I guess we can do the ever popular Xerox. Okay. I certainly hope that you've enjoyed all of these lessons and that you will practice and make cursive writing part of your standard. Some people call it a lost art, but I firmly believe that everybody needs to be able to write a legible signature and also to be able to read cursive. Who knows, it might end up being a secret code that nobody else can read. But I hope you'll stick with it. Great job. I'm proud of you.